Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see what is Laplace transformation and also discuss the importance of Laplace transformation. Let us start. Laplace transform is a definite integral of special application. It has been more of application in the present day because of its simplicity and usefulness in applied mathematics. It provides an easy and effective method to solve the problems that we face in the engineering field. Without that, it will be a tedious and hectic way. Laplace transform reduces the problem of solving a differential equation to an algebraic form. The switching from calculus operations to algebraic operations is called as operational calculus, which is a very important area of applied mathematics and also Laplace transform. They are particularly used in the fields where mathematical or electrical driving forces has discontinuities. For instance, it acts only for a short period of time, but not merely for a sine or a cosine function. Another advantage is that it directly solves the problem. Initial value problems are directly solved without finding the general solutions. I hope friends you have understood the importance of Laplace transform. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.